In this new section, we are going to work on user's profile. So in this complete section, we will see how to update user email, how to update username, how to update user avatar, and also we will see how to protect our routes. Now, if the user is logged in, we will be able to load user. I will click on this and here we have account. Click on this. Now you can see user profile will be displayed where user image will be displayed. Whichever user is logged in, their name, email ID and when they joined, all the details will be displayed. And here I am having edit profile. Click on this. I will be redirected to this page where that image will be displayed. Username and email ID will already be displayed. Here I will change to Khanam1. Mail I will be writing khanamtestad1@gmail.com. Choose file. I have selected this file and then click on update. Now it will be loading. Once the profile information is updated successfully, I will have profile updated successfully. New image will be displayed. Here we will have that image and name. You can see we are having Khanam1 and email we are having khanamtestad@gmail.com. But whatever date we are having, we will have previous date. Again, I will just bring back the profile. In this section, one by one, we will see all the functionalities. I will come to my project. Now user is logged in. I will click on account. We are not having anything. So first we are going to build static structure for our profile. I will be closing all the files and inside this user folder, I will create one file. I will give the file name as profile.jsx. Here I will be writing RFCE and inside this I will write hello. Now this route I have to define in app.jsx, open, scroll down and here we are having this route and before ending this routes I will copy and here I will be passing profile and whenever I am having this route what component I have to render? I have to render profile. Hit enter, come back. Now I am having profile. So whatever content I am having inside the file that content will be displayed. And we have already loaded user, so user image will be displayed here. Now open profile.jsx, remove this entire thing. Here I will be creating div and for this I will give the class as profile container and below this I'm just going to import the stylings. Inside this user styles we are having profile.css. Come here, you can see we are having our container. Now inside this, I will be creating another div and for this, I will give the class as profile image. Inside this, I will write one heading. For this, I will give the class as profile heading inside which I will be passing my profile. Okay, let me come to demo. Below that, we should display the image. So below this H1, I will be creating image and for this, I will give the class as profile image. As of now, inside src, I will not be giving anything. Inside alt, I will pass user profile. Below this, I will be creating link. Hit enter. This will be imported from React Router DOM. And inside this, I will pass the text as edit profile. And whenever I click on this, I should be redirected to profile update. First, let me open user routes. And inside this, you can see for updating profile, we have passed this route. So exact same route we have to pass. So whenever I click on that, I should be redirected to this route. Then below that, let me come back. Below that, I am having this complete detail section. So below this div, I will be creating another div. For this, I will be giving the class as profile details. Inside this, I will create another div and for this, I'm just going to give the class as profile detail. So here we have passed details and below that we are going to pass detail. First detail is H2. Here I will be passing username. Below this, I will be creating one paragraph. username, I will be passing Khanam. Copy this exact same thing, paste. Here I will be passing email. Email, I'm just going to pass khanam@gmail.com. And then below this, I will be pasting. Here I will be writing joint on, and inside this, I will be passing the date. So here I will be writing March 24, 2025. So in this way, I will be passing this profile details. Let me come to my project. So here we are having profile, image, edit profile button, username, email, and joined on. And finally below this, we are having two buttons. So this is our entire div section for our profile details. Below this, I will be creating another div. For this, I will give the class as profile buttons. Inside this, what I want to do, I just want to create link instead of button. So here I will be writing link, and inside this I will be passing my orders. Below this, I will create another link. Inside this, I will be passing change password. Now to see all user orders, first let me just open orders, order routes.jss. For seeing all the user orders, we are having this route. So exact same route we will copy, and inside this we are going to paste. Okay, doesn't matter whatever routes you have given in the backend, exact same route you have to copy and you have to paste. Only then entire thing will be working fine. Next, we are having change password. Let me come to user routes. You can see we have given password update. I will copy. This is for when we forget the password, we are going to pass this route. But now to update the password, we will be passing this route. I will copy, and inside this I will be pasting. Now come to my project. Now you can see my orders. As soon as I click on this, I will be redirected to this route. Again, change password. As soon as I click on this, I will be redirected to this route. Successfully, we have completed static structure for our profile page.